Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will explain you how to revert a local commit in Git, and I will use Visual Studio 2022 to visually explain you what's going on when you execute these commands. Okay, let's use command prompt. First, we need to position in the folder where changes need to be made. Okay, let's add git add dot git commit. If anything of this doesn't seem familiar, you can reach out to my Git tutorial where I explain git commit and git push. First commit. Okay, now let's create another mass change. Save, go back to command prompt, let's execute git add git commit second commit. Okay, now in our local machine we have two commits. As you can see in git changes, we have two outgoing commits. To bring them back, all you need to do is type this command: git reset head -1. If you type head -1, you will revert only the last commit. If you type -2, you will revert both of the commits. Let's do that. And as you can see, in our Visual Studio, we have 0 outgoing commits, and in text file, both of the commits are here, so we can make some change. Improve number 1 and improve number 2. We can commit improved commit. Let's save and commit. Okay, now we have 1 outgoing commits, but if you want to revert a local commit and discard all the changes you made, you need to execute this command: git reset hard head -1, and as you can see, all the work that you did is restored and we have 0 outgoing commits. So that would be pretty much everything for this video. If you learned something new, feel free to subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you and have a nice day.